In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inventory in Odoo. We'll start from the home screen inside Odoo. From there, click on Inventory to open the Inventory Management area. Once you're in the Inventory module, click on Products, and then click on Products again from the menu to open the full product list. This is where you can view existing items and create new ones. Next, click on New to begin adding a product. In the product form, type in the product name first. This is the main identifier for the item, so make sure it's clear and easy to recognize later. After that, click on General Information. This section is where most of the key setup details will be entered. Now, add the product type. This is important because it helps Odoo understand how the item should behave in your system. Then add the invoicing policy, which controls how billing is handled for that product. After that, add tracking if you want Odoo to manage serial numbers or lots for better traceability. Next, enter the quantity on hand so your current stock level is recorded. Then add the sales price, which is the amount customers will be charged. After that, add the sales taxes that apply to the item. If your system uses AVA tax, go ahead and add the AVA tax category as well, so tax handling is more accurate. Continue by entering the cost of the product. This is useful for inventory valuation and profitability tracking. Then add the purchase taxes if there are taxes applied when buying the product from a vendor. After that, choose the category to keep your products organized, especially if you manage a large catalog. Now add the reference, which can be an internal code used by your team, and then add the barcode if the product is scanned in your warehouse or point of sale workflow. After that, add the company so the product is assigned correctly, especially in a multi-company setup. Once the main details are filled in, click through the remaining tabs to review the product configuration, open attributes and variants, then sales, then prices, then purchase, then inventory, then accounting, and finally e-commerce. Even if you're not changing anything in every tab right now, it's a good habit to review them so you understand where future settings will be managed. When everything looks correct, click on the Save icon to store the product in Odoo. At that point, your inventory item has been added and is ready for use. As a final tip, always double-check pricing, stock quantity, and tax settings before saving, because those fields usually have the biggest impact on daily operations.